it's Lighthouse.
When you were doing.
I want some corn dogs tonight.
You blowing Daddy's candles out?
Judy Debbie next. How are you, Cindy? Is yours better? Mine better.
I love cream. It's my favorite. All done?
Yeah. We have two more. Look, it's Lighthouse. Look, it's Lighthouse. Yeah. Where's the
Prior, she said, who was the voice of Edward R. Meow, the puppet, that all the kids are talking to in Fundle Bundle? Are there just times when you were doing this show that you were like, I am so. That was so bad of a thing. No, right? I think it's perfect for Roy. The problem is that's not anyway. All right, well, there you go. That's where we started. All right, for bonus episodes, Candy Bag, go to StitcherPremium.com for a free 1-month trial of Stitcher Premium. Use code. Today is the day for celebration, and you guys are all worried about Kevin, and I am glomming about it. Yeah, so fast fact number 1 is that Steve Carell is a married. Actually, well, and it says from Dwight. From Dwight, number 1. I have been to their rink, me and Craig Robinson, Brian Baumgartner.
Hold the sides of the bowl. Well, hold it up here more, baby. That and then. There you go. Keep it holding there.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes good. Can I have a plate full of that?
So, those new City Connect jerseys were available to purchase. Oh, jeez, I'm sorry.
I have my camera set up and you moved it as soon as you put
I'm
it
so
down.
used to pushing it back so Tobias can't reach up here and grab it. Mmm. Smells good.
Oh, I'm so hot. Oh yeah, and I just realized. I guess I do need to let it cool on the stove though, so I have room to. Well, shoot, because I need the stove too. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, I can have it cool over there.
Yeah, I can move it. Can you grab this pad?
Yeah.
And then I have a picture of us holding our scripts, the three of us, and taking our lunch to my trailer. And that's when we would bring her to my trailer and we would just pepper her with questions. But she is like, gosh,
You know what's really cool? That I grew this from a seed. I grew us food.
You grew this from the seed too.
Yeah. You help.
Little tiny cookie, da-da-do-da-do-da.
It's a rectangle.
Right. Oh, cool. I was actually looking at books like this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I thought it was
That's
like,
so cool.
yeah, I glanced through and it's a bunch of just random stuff.
That's awesome.
It's a square and it has little pretty lines.
It does. Leonard Skinner! Oh, cool! This has all of their best songs on there. Oh, this is greatest hits. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you pick this out?
can just wipe it on your bread or like your finger, you know, whatever.
Done.
Okay.
Alright, do the jelly next.
Can you get it? Can you open it?
Twist this way or this way? This way or
This way. Okay, get it. There you go. There you go. And spread it around.
So want to be done undone?
Oh yeah.
Done! That was fun making those
And
things.
then put it together. There you go. And put the lids back on the jelly and peanut butter.
Sound like I'm not talking properly.
You sound fine to me. Put the jelly
I'm
in.
like,
I don't know.
That's a beetle.
You think?
Yeah.
I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart.